In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a cartoon animation video in Microsoft PowerPoint like this. So here is the video and let me close it, and this is the PowerPoint slide. Let me watch the slideshow. Here I have made an wonderful animation in Microsoft PowerPoint easily. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Now let me go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Again go to insert, go to shapes, pick our rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, shape fill, make it white fill color. Now press Ctrl button and use the mouse key to drag it like this. Now this is perfect. Again go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and draw it like this. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Now select all of these shapes and press Ctrl G to make it group. Now my road is ready. Now again go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color. Again go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color and go to shape style, go to fill and change the transparency to this type. Now I have to add some picture and the animation. So where I can find the picture, I need to add the grass. Let me go to any browser. If I search grass animation PNG, if I write here grass animation PNG, you will find various picture here. You can easily use any of this picture. So I have already downloaded a picture. Let me insert it. Let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. Here I have the picture. Let me click on grass. I will give you all of these photos in the video description link. You can easily download it from there. So let me click on insert. Now let me place the grass like this. This is perfect. Now I have to add our tree. Let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. Here I have downloaded our tree. You can easily find this tree by writing in Google tree PNG. You will find the various types of tree here. Let me insert this tree. Click on insert. You will see a background is here, so I have to remove it. Let me click on remove background. Here the make areas to keep, I have to keep this area, this area, this area, this and here. So let me click on keep change, and now I have to place this tree. Let me make it more smaller and let me place it like this. Let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. Here I have cloud. You can easily search it from Google. Let me click on insert. Let me place it here. Now I have to add a walking man. Where I can find it, you can easily write here walking boy GIF. You can easily download the boy from here. I have already downloaded. So let me go to insert, go to picture, go to this device here. Let me click on insert. Let me rotate it and place it like this. Let me zoom out and place it here. Now again go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. I have to add some GIF bird. So let me click on insert. You will find it from the video description, or you can easily search it into Google GIF bird flying. Here you will find various types of bird. You can easily download it from here. Now let me place it like this. Now I have to add some animation. Before adding the animation, I have to add some car image. So let me go to picture, go to online picture, animated car. Let me click on this one. Let me click on insert one. Let me resize it and rotate it and place it like this. Again go to insert, go to picture, go to online picture, animated car. Let me select this one, click on insert. Let me resize it, rotate it and place it like this. Now I have to add the animation. Click on this GIF, go to animation, go to add animation, click on motion path lines. Now from the effect option, let me click on left. Here let me drag it and place it like this and go to animation pen, click on here, go to effect option, smooth end 0 seconds and let me change the duration to 8 seconds. Let me watch the slideshow. Here this is the walking animation. Now I have to add the bird animation. Let me click on the bird, go to add animation, click on lines, effect option, right. Now go to animation pen, go to effect option, change the smooth end and smooth start. Click on here. Let me select it with previous and change the duration to 8 seconds and drag it like this. Now if I want to watch the slideshow, here you will see, make it smaller. Now I have to add another animation. Let me place it like this. Let me go to add animation, click on lines, effect option from left with previous duration 8 seconds, effect option, smooth end, smooth start 0 seconds, click on OK. Drag it like this. Now I have to add animation in my car. Let me select both of the cars, go to add animation, go to lines, effect option, left, drag it like this and this one, drag it like this. Now select this one, effect option, change the smooth end and smooth start with previous duration 8 seconds and let me select this one, go to effect option, smooth start, smooth end and change the duration to 8 seconds and the delay is on seconds and let me change the duration to 5.75 seconds. If I watch the slideshow, what will actually happen? Here this car, let me change the duration to 7 seconds and here change the duration to 4 seconds. Watch the slideshow. Let me select this one, click on send to back and now I have to add the sound. Let me go to insert, go to audio, click on audio on my PC, select the audio, let me click on insert and the audio in the animation pen, let me place the audio here, let me click here, start with previous, place the audio here, let me go to click the playback, click on trim audio, let me set it 7.8 seconds, let me click on OK. Here the fade out, let me change it to 7 seconds because my slide duration is 8 seconds. Here the slide duration 8 seconds. So if I want to watch the slideshow, let me click on here. You will see the audio button is showing. I have to hide it. So let me click on it, click on playback, hide during show. Now again let me watch the slideshow. Here you will see my slideshow is perfect. Now I have to save it as a video. Let me click on file, click on export, click on create video, click on create. Let me select the desktop PP video, click on save. The video is creating here. Now in the desktop, here you will see PP video. Let me click on it. So you will find my video is ready. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.